Hey guys, today I'm going to be installing a brand new hand lever for my brake, CRF100. So let's get into it. First of all, we got to unscrew these two screws right here. So all you have to do is unscrew this piece right here. So screw that back, and then I lift it up. From the back I lift it up, so this piece right here came off. And then you just keep lifting up, and then you go like that. So you push out until you get this piece out. Now what we have to do is attach this lever back onto there. Let's do it. So now that I got it on, made it tight. It's a little too tight, so I have to loosen it up a little bit. But we'll fix that later. It's pretty tight, but let's screw it in. Okay, so now that I got that in, I'm gonna screw it in fully later, but that looks works pretty good. Our new handle, screw this down a little more. Okay, I'm gonna go test it out, but that's the end of the video. Please like and subscribe, and comment down below if this was helpful.